Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Nessa here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a wing liner, especially if you have hooded eyes. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, y'all get a notification from me, because y'all do not want to miss any videos from me, because it is the shit over here, okay? Alright guys, so let's jump into it. Alright guys, so for those of you who don't know what a hooded eye is, it's when you have a tiny amount of lid space. Also when you're there's a fold or flap in between your eyeball, crease, whatever, and it actually kind of want to like touch your eyelid or maybe even your lash line. That's if your hooded eye is that deep. Alright guys, so not every wing line can be drawn the same way based on your eye shape. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I create my wing liner due to the fact that I have hooded eyes. I'm going to show you different types of liners that you can use to create your wing line. So we have what you call a pen liner, and the pen liner normally comes with a felt tip. And then you have what you call a gel liner, and normally with a gel liner you use a angled brush to draw your wing, like a really sharp, nice, pointy angled brush, so that you can get that nice and sharp line or wing line that you're looking for. Now we have the liquid liner, and this would be my go-to. So whenever I'm creating a wing line, I normally go to this Wet n Wild liquid liner. And last but not least, we have the good old-fashioned eyeliner pencil. So once you sharpen it pointy enough, you'll be able to create your wing line. It may not be as bold as using one of the first three that I showed you, but it actually does work. So I'm going to be using the pen liner, and the pen liner is from LA Girl. I'm gonna pull in a little closer. When I look up, or when I look straight ahead, there is this little fold right here in between my eyeballs. So that's what I was saying hooded eye is about. Alright guys, so if I should draw my wing line going up this way, it's not gonna look good, you know. So I like to start my wing line going from the V of my eye, and I like to go and curve it a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my first line. Alright, so that is my first line right there. Alright, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make small strokes starting from right here to right here. And that's how we are going to shape it out. So I'm going to start from right here. Alright, connect my line right there. And then I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to start the next line up here. And when I'm doing my liner, I look ahead, all right, so that I get the nice shape that I'm looking for. So alright guys, so I'm going to connect this part right here again. Alright, and then we are going to alright, so there you go. Alright, next I like to then go in the inner corner, and I'm starting as close to my real lashes as possible. And you want to make sure that you're looking ahead. And we are going to connect this line right here to the ones that we started with first. Alright, hope that y'all see that. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and fill in the gaps. Oh my god, you see what happened there? I looked away and it messed up here, but that's alright. So I'm going to go ahead and still fill the gaps in. Okay, guys, so we're going to fill here in as well. Alright guys, so there you go, that's our wing line. Alright, we're gonna like straighten right here a little bit. And elongate here. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. Alright guys, and there you have it. Alright, now this little problem here right here, we are gonna fix that. So first I'm gonna take a makeup wipe, and I'm just going to like just roll it like this. And then I'm gonna lightly wipe it. I'm going with an angled brush. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer, just a little bit, and we are going to clean up that little area. Alright, now we're going to go back in with our eyeshadow. Eyeshadow that I was using was this one right here. So I'm just dipping the tip of my finger in it. And then I'm going to just tap that on there. So we're going to go back in with the liner, and we are going to just fix this line. And there we go. Alright guys, so this is the complete look after finishing my makeup, throwing on some lashes and all that good stuff. I hope that this video was helpful for y'all. Yeah, doing wing liners can be a challenge, but if you take your time and just, you know, find what works for you. The way how I did mine, that's what works for me, and I'm loving it. So I can do my wing line in like two minutes. Normally it would take me a while because I have to, like, you know what, this one looks lean, oh, and to fix that and to wipe it up and to start over. But no, I don't have to do that because I have a step or I have a process on how I achieve the perfect wing line. So if this video was helpful for y'all, please go on ahead and give this video a thumb up. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and I'll see y'all in the next video.